Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Brihaspataye. Be the best version of yourself. If anybody is not subscribed to my channel, I humbly request you to please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon wherein you will get the updates then and there when I'm posting it. I'm your Sneha Pranav. Today I come up with another wonderful temple topic and we are going to talk about a divine temple which is Sri Shiva Loga Tyagesar temple. It is very new for many of you and it is very famous temple also. Sri Shiva Loga Tyageshwar temple stands as a testament to the rich spiritual and cultural heritage of its religion, attracting devotees and tourists alike nested in the serene locate. This temple is not only a place of worship but also a hub of community activity steeped in history and tradition. With its stunning architectural features, vibrant festivals, and deeply rooted rituals, the temple holds a significant place in the hearts of followers. Having said that, in this today's video, we are going to delve into the temple's historical origin, architectural marvels, cultural practices, and the role it plays in the life of the community, offering a comprehensive understanding of its spiritual importance and ongoing legacy. Having said that, you may ask me where this temple is located and what is the locality. When it comes to the temple location, it is in the heart of Tamil Nadu. This temple is not just a place of worship; it's a sanctuary for the soul. Having said that, with more of history, vibrant cultural practices, this temple draws visitors and devotees from far wide, I can say globally, to soak the spiritual ambience. Having said that, if anybody is out of country, please do grab your virtual passport, or if you are in inside also inside the India also, please do grab your virtual passport and let's dive into the wonders of this divine abode. So, having said that, it's finding Sri Shiva Loga Thyageshwara temple is likely embarking on the treasure hunt located in the bustling town of Rameshwaram. This temple is conveniently situated near major thoroughfares, making it a breeze to across. Whether you choose to arrive by car or by bus or even by the magical wings of mythical bird, just kidding, I'm sorry. We mean the train. You find the way to scared spot. This so much of sacred spot with adventure. When you travel, you may find that nature beauty with so much of wonders that you can find in it. So the surrounding sceneries is so picturized that you want to take multiple selfies along with the background which you are going to enjoy over there. So, having said that, Sri Shiva Loga Tyageswara temple is so important. You may ask me why it is so important, Sneha. Well, apart from being a stunning architectural marvel, the temple holds a special place in the hearts of devotees because it's a dedicated to Lord Shiva, the god of destruction and regeneration, offering a special space for reflection and reverence. It's a hub for spiritual activity where you can witness daily rituals, um, yearly festivals. So you feel a wonderful experience when you go there, when you just reach out to there. So, other few things which I want to tell you is that founding the temple is like a gripping plot twist straight out of your historical novel. Knowing to moving to establishment and other stuffs, we can talk. It is established in the 16th century. The temple was built under the Tamil kings who were keen to promote Saivasvam, which is they used to pray Shiva a lot, Lord Shiva a lot. So, next key features I want to highlight here is throughout the year the temple has witnessed many events. Some are like joyfulness, some other are solemn. It has hosted countryless people, like worldwide people. They come there and they take their blessings. They enjoy the festival, that rich tapestry of Indian cultural aspects which involves in that particular temple. You may ask me like what's a temple without a sprinkling of local legends, right? So having said that, Sri Shiva Logatyageshwara temple is no exceptions. Tales of miraculous occurrences and blessings bestowed upon devotees abundant in the community. So as you approach to the temple, prepare to be more inspired. These architectural features are the symphony of design that reflect centuries of artistry. The temple the temple showcases a beautiful blend of Dravidian and Chola architectural styles, featuring intricate carving and towering gopurams, which is really a great thing. Each element tells a story with motifs that represents various deities and aspects of nature. So, having said that, let's talk about the sculptures. Temple is adorned with stunning iconography, or can say like beautiful photographical backgrounds, which really depicting various aspects of Shiva and his divine family. From the beautifully carved statues of Nandi, Shiva's bull, we call it the Nandi, Shiva's bull, to elaborate relief illustrating the tales from Hindu mythology and artistry is not short of breathtaking. So, having said that, as you wander through the temple, don't forget to glance at the inscriptions that adorn its walls. These inscriptions are not just beautiful, they hold invaluable historical information about temples' significance. So, having said that, prepare yourself for a cultural immersion as we explore the vibrant rituals and practices that breathe life into Sri Shiva Loga Tyageshwarar Temple or Tyagesar Temple. Every day, the temple bursts with energy as a priest conduct various pujas or rituals to honor Lord Shiva. The rhythmic sounds of bells and chanting creates a divine atmosphere that envelops all who enter. Visitors can engage in personal offering, light lamps, and participate in lighting the lamps, a small diyat we call. So then, to participate in the sacred harati, making for a truly immersive spiritual experience. Having said that, the temple comes alive during special ceremonies and festivals such as the Grand Mahashivaratri, where devotees from all over gather to celebrate. Expect a sea of people, colorful of decoration, and abundance of offerings like fruits, flowers, and sweets. It's a time of joy, community, and devotion, and experience that stays your memory. It stays in your memory for a longer run. So, as I said, glimpses into the enchanting world of Sri Shiva Loga Tyageshwara Temple or a Tyagesar Temple, where you are a devotee, a history enthusiastic, or just someone looking for a little spiritual inspiration. This temple sure to leave an incredible memories in your heart on your art. So it's a beautiful temple. At this temple, the calendar is marked by the vibrant celebrations that attract devotees from all walks of life. The major annual festivals include Mahashivaratri, the festival that celebrates Lord Shiva's cosmic dance, and the Tamil New Year, which is a fresh beginning, and not to forget Navaratri, the 9 days of festival packed with devotional songs, dances, lights up the temple grounds. Each event is like a grand family reunion, complete with traditional music, dance, and of course, mouth-watering food or delicious traditional foods that could make anyone taste your buds and to do so much of happiness in your life. These festivals aren't just about colorful decorations and a feast. They hold profound spiritual significance. Mahashivaratri, celebrated with a night-long vigils and prayers, symbolizes overcoming darkness and ignorance, allowing devotees to cleanse their minds and spirits. So the hidden in this temple, it's just not a place for worship. It's a heart of local community beating fervently with life, love, and laughter. This temple serves as a meeting point for community members to come together, share their joys, and support one another in times of community in times of community needs, I can say in that way. So having said that, education and charity are twin pillars on which this temple stands firmly. This temple often organizes workshops and classes for all ages, covering everything from spiritual teachings to yoga and meditations. I also want to quote few things. Planning a trip to this temple, you are in luck. Sri Shiva Loga Tyageshwara temple welcomes visitors daily, typically from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. and again from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Entry is usually free, but donations are highly encouraged to support the temple's various activities. So it's your choice whether you want to donate or not, it's your choice. To ensure everyone has a pleasant experience, the temple has a fewer visitor guidelines. Guidelines may be the dress code, the way you need to support their premises and all. So having said that, this temple is just not a place of worship, it is a sanctuary that leaves a lasting impact on everybody who walks through its doors. Devotees often leaving feeling rejuvenated, their spirits lifted and minds clear. For visitor, it's a chance to experience a slice of culture and spirituality. So, having said that, looking ahead, the temple committed to preserving its rich heritage while continuing to serve as a beacon of hope and community support. Having said that, you may ask me a few questions which are for like what are the opening hours of temples, Neha? As I told you, it's typically open from early morning until late evening. You may ask me, Sneha, is there any dress codes and guidelines? It's a normal thing. Visitors are encouraged to dress modestly with the traditional dresses. That's it, nothing much. You may ask me, like, Sneha, what are the festivals that are celebrated at the temple? So, as I said, it includes major celebrations like Mahashivaratri, Navaratri, and annual temples festivals. Each festival is marked by unique rituals, processions, and community gatherings. You may ask me, is there any early fee or entry fee, or an early booking or any entry fee is needed to the temple? Obviously, no. The temple is generally free, and through though the donations are welcome to support the temple maintenance and community activities, it's your choice. So once again, welcome back to Brihaspati. Be the best version of yourself. I'm Sneha. In today's session, it was very much informative and it was very much devotional filled for you. Having said that, if anybody is not subscribed to my channel, please to go like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Until next video, stay safe, be safe. Bye bye.